Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to export MIDI files in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. We also have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and export MIDI files in Bandlab. So exporting MIDI files in Bandlab is quite simple, and here's how you can do it. Launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device. When you have launched it, go to your library and open the project containing the MIDI track you want to export. Right-click on MIDI region you want to export. After clicking the right-click, click on Export Region and select as MIDI. Then your MIDI file will be saved to your chosen location. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.